learn how to easily add a signature field in DocuSign, making your document signing process smooth and efficient. First, head over to the DocuSign website using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button and enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up to access all features. After logging in, you'll land on the DocuSign dashboard, your central hub for managing documents. From here, navigate to the Templates section and either select an existing template or create a new one. Next, fill in the required document details, such as the recipient's name and email address. This step ensures the document is properly assigned. Once everything is set, click the Next button to proceed. Now you'll enter the field editing stage. Look for the toolbar that contains different field options and select the signature field. Drag and drop it onto your document wherever you want the signer to place their signature. Make sure to position it clearly so it's easy for the recipient to find. After placing the signature field, take a moment to review the document and ensure everything is correctly aligned. Once you're satisfied, your document is ready to be sent for signing. That's it. You now know how to add a signature field in DocuSign quickly and effectively. Feel free to explore more features to enhance your document workflow and make your process even more efficient.